What's wrong? What's wrong? It's too cold outside. Hello and welcome back to Vanilla and Company, and Merry Christmas. We're on our Vlogmas journey, and just wanted to share that Vanilla and I both have our little gingerbread pajamas on. Say hi, Mama. Oh, she's not liking this position. But anyway, today we're gonna decorate a little bit outside. We're gonna make some bows for our wreaths and just change it up a little bit. So, you ready, Vanilla, to get started? Yes? Oh, Mama. As you can see behind me, I have this thing that I always put up for essentially all of the rest of the seasons. And then we have our wreath. I've had this wreath for a couple years now, and I really just want to make it feel cohesive with everything else that we're doing. I also have a little lamp up there that I'm planning to put a red bow on. I always put a red bow on the two lamps that are on either side of the garage, so I just want it all to match. So we're gonna go ahead and just give some life to something that we already have. We don't have to buy a bunch of new things just because our style is changing or evolving. And so yeah, join us. So this is the wreath that we're working with. We've had it probably the last two Christmases. I think we got it at Costco. I love it. I love the snow. I love that it has gold and silver accents, so that if I ever decide to change to a silver accent, which I doubt, this will be ready, so I don't have to go off and buy another wreath. And then this is just an accent that we have on our wall. The other one is right there, but it's already done, so I don't want to undo it. Okay, we're settled in. Here's our red velvet ribbon. It was really hard, even right before Thanksgiving, to find the red velvet. They had other red ribbon. I ended up finding this at Kohl's on Black Friday, so I did not pay $9 as shown here. I don't remember what I paid, but it wasn't $9. But yeah, we have our beautiful red velvet ribbon that we're going to make our bows with. So here we go. I have the other bow that I had previously made right here, so I'm going to use this to measure out the length so I don't have to go through that again. So I have my ribbon here, and I'm going to go ahead and make the bows. Because there's so many videos out there on how to make a nice bow, I'm not really going to go into it, but we can get started. Okay, so we have our two bows. They look so cute. And wanted to say this wasn't necessarily meant to be a how-to, but if you guys end up really wanting to see like a step-by-step, I can always make something like that later. But these are two bows that we'll be using for our planters, and now I'm gonna make a larger bow for the wreath. So this ribbon I was able to find at TJ Maxx. It's 10 yards, which this one I thought was gonna be longer, and I honestly didn't even read it because my old spool had so much length that I didn't even think about it. This one was only 9 feet, and it was only enough for the two smaller bows, but that's okay because I remembered I had this stuff. And it has a little bit of like wiring, so it holds its shape, which is really great for a large bow. This is probably a good size. Like this. And then this much draping down. I think that's good. So this would be the middle. So let me add some. I'm probably better if I'm longer than shorter. Oh! What? 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 Do you see this? They just like glued it together and stapled it. You know what? Let's do this here. We're gonna cut this off right here. Yay, we have enough. Okay. Wow, this is extremely long. It's probably, each half is probably about 5.5 feet because it's basically the width of my arms. So this is our midway point. So how do we want to do this? Well, I pinched it, so now I know where it is. But I guess I'll kind of do it how I have been doing it. I'll do the thing. So here's my triple bow. It's roughly the same length. All you have to do is rotate it. And I just wound it up 3 times, making sure that they were kind of like tucked into each other. Crease it right here. Sorry if you can see that. I'm just gonna crease it right there. That's my center point. And I'm gonna bring, I guess I could crease it at the bottom too, so I can make sure they're all meeting. I'm gonna bring this in to my center point. This is the back because not all the velvet is facing forward. Okay, so this is the front. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and tie it. I'm gonna go ahead and tie it loosely, but not so tight that you can't move it. Because it's so thick, I might have to double knot this just for now. Do the bunny ear so I can pull it out. Okay. Now that we have it at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. This will look nice. Honestly, that's pretty good. Okay, I think now I'm gonna tighten it. Pull out my bunny ear, tighten it a little bit more. Okay, now we're gonna do the center ribbon. I'm gonna pinch it more. I can crinkle it up a little bit if I need to. I will need to. Just kind of pinch it in the center. There we go. There we go. It's looking like something. There we go. Pull it really, pull the bottom one really tight. Then pull the top one over the bottom one. Then I tie it. Just check it before we tighten it too much. think that looks pretty solid. Now we can tighten it real good. Okay. Tighten it real good. And then bunny ear it, just in case we need to loosen it again. Until we're done fluffing it up, then we can do the final knot. Okay. Fluff it up. Okay. And I'm not going to cut the length until we're outside and I see what it looks like. But, I mean, I think these are pretty solid bows. Right? So let's go. Let's go put them up. Velvet out, one velvet. That when I cut it, we end up looking the same. I told you I'd call that time, Mama. I think that looks cute. So cute! Oops, move away. That looks so cute! I love it! I got some cranberries, some fake cranberries to put in, and at first I thought it popped out too much, but now with the red bow, I think actually it would make more sense because it would bring some of the red into the rest of the wreath. So let's do that. So this is the bow that I was talking about. I got it at TJ Maxx, I think. And I have two on each side of the garage, and I'm gonna put one up here. And this is the reason that I had to go back and buy red velvet or the wreath and for that. So here we go. Also, I already had this up, and I don't know if you can see, there are ladybugs hiding in here. Ah, sorry. There's ladybugs hiding in here. So I think they're just trying to find some shelter for the winter. I don't blame them. It's cold. Bring the wire up. And this will make the bow sit higher. So I wrap it up too so it doesn't move around a bunch.